You run around a lot. Good morning. This is what it looks like today if you're heading out the door. 40-mile-per-hour wind gusts out there in Santa Clarita. How's it going? I know this is really tough for allergy sufferers, sinus sufferers. This is going to be the winds that we just really don't like. It's dry, it's windy, and through some of these places, you might see palm fronds blowing around, leaves blowing around. Hopefully you don't see any tree limbs blowing around or trees down, but we have had reports this morning already of downed trees out in the San Fernando Valley where some of the wind gusts are just very strong. Over into Magic Mountain Truck Trail, we saw 93-mile-per-hour wind gusts. That was the strongest I've seen so far. But yes, it's upper elevations, not populated, so that's some good news. 31-mile-per-hour winds out towards Malibu, 48 though through Burbank, and the forecast models are all showing this continuing through today. Peak winds happen right around sunrise. It does get calmer through the afternoon and through the evening. However, we're not going to let up on the high wind warning till 10 a.m. tomorrow, so we're going to keep that in place. And then finally by tomorrow, or it looks like it started yesterday, but until tomorrow, we're not going to get to see those winds really quiet down. So I would say that this is going to stay pretty breezy throughout most of the morning. This is a nice sunrise. You can just see it kind of peeking through over to Malibu. 56 degrees right now this morning. And another one just starting here, 32 degrees out there into Wrightwood. And the camera is just moving around. Really strong winds out towards Riverside. 61 degrees out there. We are going to get to see temperatures today make it up to about 53 degrees into Los Angeles. It's 65 degrees over into Anaheim. It's going to be about 32 degrees into Wrightwood, and traveling out the door for areas of Long Beach, just about 53 and 65 degrees into Anaheim. So overall, this ridge of high pressure that is newly formed is going to stick around for the next few days. Today, it is producing some of the strongest wind gusts. The pressure gradients are very tight, which means that those winds are trying to balance out our atmosphere just because we have two very different air masses, a big area of high pressure here and a big low pressure center out towards the east of us. So once we start to settle with a little bit more balance tomorrow, we're going to see our temperatures warm up, but the pressure gradients start to loosen up a little bit, so that's nice. So our winds will not be as strong. 81 degrees out there for areas of Los Angeles, and then we're going to see winds stay pretty calm through Wednesday, 79 degrees, and then on your Thanksgiving holiday, temperatures fall down to 71 degrees. We bring back some onshore winds, and we do bring back some cooler temperatures, but the wind will be back, but in the opposite direction, so it won't be those drying Santa Ana winds. It'll be onshore winds, and they won't be nearly as strong. So at least we'll have breezy conditions, but not the gusty weather that we're dealing with today.